I think this is very interesting for me because I learned so many knowledges about science and biochemistry. I think it can show the culture of Yakutia, and so I like it very much. I like the national dance.
I love this event. This event is very good for the Hong Kong students. They come here to learn some new thing and to meet some new friends. I like to dance. I saw the dance, the culture, your traditional dance is very good. I don't dance, but I like to see some dance. The cultural dance, like the Yaku dance, like this. They wear the traditional clothes, the wares, and dance is beautiful.